I don't know if you can see the fish swimming around in there. The cloud is making it muffled. There he goes. I can't see him through my phone, but when I look over my phone, there he is. Over my phone, I can see him. We're just chilling here, hanging out. Isn't nature amazing? I think they need to put that in the next Pokemon. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, I just thought of in holes. Look at the little fishy. I mean, it's one of those cave things. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Hi, fish. How are you? When I first came up, he kept swimming around in these like circles and whatnot, showing off. Are you gonna show off again? Fishy, 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 fishy. There was a guy fishing here when I first got here, and I was hoping he would catch a fish, and then he left. But some guy across over there was fishing, and he caught something, and he was screaming. I also want to go stand out in the middle of that thing naked and twirl around and pretend I'm Sailor Neptune transforming. This lake is the perfect color for Sailor Neptune, and now that I've worn my dark teal aqua blue dress once, now I can chop it up and make my Sailor Neptune outfit. I have to get a leotard though. I know you're not supposed to talk in nature videos, but I'm talking to the fish because animals listen. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I wonder if he would come to me if I put my hand in the water. He went away. I scared. Oh, wait, there he is. Oh, wait, no, there's a different one. Where is it? I hope I don't drop my phone in the lake. There's a little one. Or is that the same one? I don't know. It doesn't smell like pond water, at least here. They keep it pretty clean.